Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Can we get this video to 40 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every top of the video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Yoruichi from Bleach. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. It is the first Bleach drawing of the channel, so if you want to see more Bleach drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. But overall, I really love the outcome of the drawing, and hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving my drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. That wraps the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment which side drawing there for the comment because I reply back to every single comment.